If I'm being picky, the foam and the plate had to be on before putting the switches on too. Oh, don't say I need to take off the plate. Oh, okay, so we're undoing everything then. GG, guys. Nice to know you. Alright, hopefully this works. You guys see me? Hello, hello, hello. You see this? You can see the top-down view. I need to get a screwdriver. Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost showing the feet there. Almost showing the feet. You don't get that for free. Yeah, we gotta chill out. We gotta chill out. You gotta pay premium for that shit. Let's keep it clean. Okay? This is gonna go on the YouTube. I don't want people to write some weird shit. If so, then the corner where the chat is just gonna get blurred out. It's just gonna get blurred out. Alright? Alright, anyway. Let's get some products opened. Let's start with our... Hold on. It's dusty as shit. Let me just make it look good. It's been sat in the corner for like 3 months. Hold on. Brand new. Fresh.
TTS, so God going to love this.
We got the Gamakay? The Gamakay CK68.
Pussy.
Yes, I am.
Cock.
Nice. Good. This YouTube video is going great so far. We got the Gamakay CK61. Bought this off Banggood for like, what, $50? So you guys can go get this yourself. I got it in, you could probably see, transparent white. It's not exactly transparent as they say, but it's good enough. It's good enough. This is what I have currently, for anyone wondering. YouTube voice, YouTube voice. This is the Sky Loon. It was marketed to me as the EPO Maker CK61 or some shit like that. But yeah, this is what I've been using already. Mila, you've got the same, right? It's good enough. It's good enough. It's got some Gatoron Reds in there. It's got some other stuff in there. It's all right. It's not amazing. It's a keyboard. It's 60%. Does he even care about it? What? How many times I'll say f? No, because I could just blur it out. I could just put beep beep beep. It's cool. So, you know, we're good. Alright, inside our box, we have our lovely chassis case. What do you keyboard nerds call this? We got our lovely keyboards. This is how they look. This is the kit. Okay, you have nothing in there in terms of switches. It's literally just the PCB and this transparent white, as they say. Chassis? Chassis is a good enough word. We're sim racers. Chassis is alright. Alright, we have our USB cable, which I won't be using, because I bought this for one specific reason. This is Bluetooth wireless. Okay? This is the reason I bought this thing. I love this keyboard, it's great, but it's not wireless. I need this for, you know, you guys know the racing and etc. It's good enough. Keycap puller, key switch puller, usual 60% keyboard nerd business, and your lovely keyboard pamphlet, your CK61. Here's all your macros if you want to pause your music, if you want to start your music, all of that. You know, all the good stuff, all the good stuff. Oh, if you want to know the weight, it is 533 grams. There you go, nice and light. Does it have classic 2.4 or 5 gigahertz? Let me check for you. It has 2.4? You can't even read that because the light's going to reflect off the packaging. But it says in tiny writing there, 2.4G. Alright, so before we start throwing our switches and stuff all inside here, we're going to do some real keyboard. We're going to damp out the noise a bit with some packing foam. So if you don't know, if you put packing foam in between your PCB and your chassis, your deck, it drowns out the noise quite a lot, and it makes a nice noise when you click it. Very thocky, very thocky. How much capacity does your keyboard battery have? I don't know. It's enough. It's enough. It's enough. All right, so we get our lovely 99p store screwdriver, which has like 6 different tips on it. Perfect. And yes, Mila, this goes in between your PCB and like the keyboard. Like I think they call this the deck. It makes the sound a lot better. So when you click it down, it's very dampened by the foam. So it's pretty simple. If you can or can't see, there is pretty much like 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you just literally take those out. All right. Once you've unscrewed those screws, Pretty simple without breaking, he says. Man breaks keyboard on stream, IRL. Boom. This is, I guess, like the fascia, which you know, you could spray paint this. I could probably spray paint it black if I wanted to. And then this is your PCB, which I've already taken out and ruined. And this is what a keyboard PCB looks like, guys. So it's pretty simple, dare I say. And then on the back, you just have all of these switches, which you can see my... Oh no, another switch is coming loose. Oh, I'm not gonna have two keys. Oh, another switch is coming loose. The capacity is 3000 milliamp hours. I don't really care about the other keys. I can fix them. But I have spoken to Smiley and Martin, I think his name is. Yeah, you can already see my shoddy soldering work. It's pretty bad. I need to work on it. So I need to figure out how to get some... So you can buy these switches in bulk, and you can just solder them back on. But anyway, so what we need to do, this is going to be the hardest bit. So we need to cut a perfectly... I think the thickness should be okay. But I just need to cut the shape. The shape should be okay. I'm hoping the thickness is okay. If it's too thick, then we're pretty fucked, I'll be honest. Okay, switches. The fun bit. Okay, shout out to Ascend Keyboards for this. It took a while, but we finally got here. Okay, it took a while. They're Gateron yellows, and they're lubed in something. Hopefully not Vaseline. We're done, lads. Lads and lasses, we're done. We've got all of our switches on. That's it. That's the keyboard finish, guys. There you go. That's how you use it. It's the really precise keyboard. If I'm being picky, the foam and the plate had to be on before putting the switches on too. Really, bro? Is it worth me undoing it all? Oh, don't say I need to take off the plate. I think I do, right? Because the switch sits over the plate. I don't really know how this works. The switches sit over these, no? Oh, okay. So we're undoing everything then. GG, guys. Nice to know you. Alright, lads. Keycap time. I love these a lot. I love these. I'm addicted to like Japanese writing. Hiragana especially. Oh, I love the look of them. Now, before I go ahead and show you what the keycaps look like on the keyboard, let me tell you, after many hours of waiting, the many minutes going by looking at my poor switches and keycaps sat in the corner of my room, gathering dust. After many months go by and exchanges between Banggood customer service, I am finally pleased to show you guys my custom keyboard.